So the last class we completed the joint. Then next we can go for synonyms. What is this synonyms? How we are use these synonyms in Oracle applications or Oracle database. Here, observe this one. There are two types of synonyms. One is private synonym, another one is public synonym. What is private and public? Suppose in your Facebook, suppose if you want to open an account in Facebook, it is clearly asked to us if you want to maintain the security or if you want to show your information to all people. Private and public. If you specify the private, so that information, who are your friends, that friends only able to see your information. If you specify the public, all people has access to see your information, right? So in the same manner here also same. Okay, private synonym and public synonym. Let it be, I will explain the diagram map. So here observe this. What is the conditions of these synonyms? What is the rules of synonyms? It is used to hide the owner of the table. What is the use of that? It is used to hide the owner of the table. Hide means it doesn't show. It doesn't show to any people. It is going to hold the table, but it is going to here observe. It works like as a mirror image of the table. Mirror image of the table. Table is there. It's same working, the working structure or working activity same like as a table, but it is a mirror. It is a mirror image. Suppose, for example, whenever you can go to stand in front of the mirror, what happen? The same image will be replicated in the mirror, right? So that like that. Okay, but it is not a physical structure, right? What exactly image is going to appear in your mirror? Is it physical? It is not a physical structure, right? Our body is the physical structure. That will be shown as virtual structure, right? Means it doesn't have any structure. It is an image only. The same thing here also. Synonym is a image. It doesn't have own structure. It is always depend on the table. It is always depend on the table. Next, observe this one. It doesn't have own structure. It is depend on the table. Next, we can possible to create the synonym on tables. But we cannot create the. Oh, sorry. 1 second. We can possible to create the synonym on tables, and also sorry. We can possibly create the synonym on synonyms also and tables also. We can possibly create the synonym on table is a common rule, and also we can possibly create the synonym on synonym also. Suppose, for example, observe this one. We have two mirrors. One mirror is front mirror, another mirror is another back mirror. Now we can go to stand into the first mirror. Automatically that replica is going to reflect into the another mirror or not? Definitely. Then here the number of mirrors we can maintain. The same mean. We can possibly create the synonym on another synonym. Okay. Then let us say now I want to explain to you. Then here, so synonyms, right? Private synonym. First we want to discuss about private synonym. The public synonym will be discussed when we enter into the Oracle applications. Okay, for time being we no need to record, but just we want to. So here, observe this one. I want to create a synonym on table. Okay, create synonym name. Suppose, say example, EMP99S. It is a synonym. Okay, and for which table? EMP99. Create synonym. Observe this one. Whenever we are using the create command, that will be become as a database object. So here I am using the create command, right? Up to now we are using this create command only on tables. Today we introduce a new database object, that is a synonym, because of I am using the create command for this database object. Now save this. Synonym is created. Observe this one. Now execute the select star from EMP99. Yes. Here I execute the I execute the which syntax. So have you execute the table or synonym? We execute the synonym only, right? So now observe this one. Now I want to modify this synonym structure. Okay, synonym structure. Observe this one. Synonym does not have the structure, but I want to do the modifications. I want to do the alteration in my synonym. Is it possible or not? Let it be check it. Alter. What is the command? What is the syntax of alter? Alter table, right? We don't have any syntax for alter synonym name. Right? We don't have any syntax. Alter synonym name. Automatically we are getting error. Because of the synonym does not have the structure. That is the reason the people does not implement this syntax. Yeah, automatically. Synonym does not have the structure. Don't discuss that structures, right? So always the synonym is depend on table. Say example, observe this one. Now I want to alter the table. Alter table EMP99, add column. So we don't have column keyword. Add phone number. That is the number of 10. So where we alter? Which table? EMP99. Now we execute this one. EMP99. Yes. Right? Observe this one. But here we don't have any security on data. We can provide the security on our table structure, but we don't have any security on data. So for that we have another objects is there, but here we are not. Suppose say example, now I delete from EMP99, okay, 99, where employee number equal to 7956. Deleted or not? Now we can go to check it our synonym. Suppose now I am going to delete the data from synonym. Delete from EMP99, yes, where employee number equal to 7934. From here also, from synonym also we can delete the data, but where it is reflected? EMP99. We directly delete the data from table, and also we can check it. Is there any security for our data? We don't have any security for our data, but we can secure our table structure. If you want to provide the security on data, then we are using another objects that will be discussed later. Okay, but here observe this one. But we cannot possible to change the structure, right? Suppose now I have one more example. I want to create a synonym on synonym. I want to create a synonym on synonym. So create synonym name EMP99S1. It is a new synonym for EMP99, yes. I want to create a synonym on synonym. Okay, let it be. Synonym is created, but this synonym is depend on the first synonym. That synonym is depend on the table, but data is coming from where? Table only, right? Let us here observe this one. Let it be check it. EMP 99S1. Okay. Now I want to delete from EMP 99S1. Okay, where DEPT number equal to 10. I want to remove the 10th department data from second synonym. Let it be check it. Now we can check it. EMP 99, yes. Then go to check it in table. Structure means permanently stored in our database, right? Structure means it is a physical. Data means data will be going to stored in the structure. Yes, structure is nothing but a record and columns, row and columns. Without having structure, how we can keep the data, right? Suppose, say example, we purchase a lot of items from the shopkeeper, and in my room I don't have the rows. I don't have the rocks and bins. How we can go to keep that items? Have you all items will be keep in one area, but we have several items in there. We want to keep in rows and bins. That is the structure. Then now let us. I am going to draw column. It is not possible. So that is I told you. We cannot possible to drop a means modify the structure.
But here you didn't provide any security, sir. You cannot get any security, sir.
Then we are possible to provide the security on our data also. That is a different objects. Okay. But here we cannot. Have you provided any security on our data? Anybody is going to delete it. Okay. But we cannot possible to modify the structure of the synonyms. Why? Because synonyms does not have the structure. What is your doubt? Means you want to delete the data or you want to delete the entire drop the column. So that is the reason I told you we cannot possible to drop a column because of the synonym don't have the structure. How we can drop? Then say example, you can go to stand in front of the mirror. In front of the mirror, I am going to give the beat to the mirror image. Have you get the pain? Is it possible? No. Who are get the pain? Who got the pain? Me got the pain. Right? So in this manner, very simple example. We don't have the structure. How we can go to drop the column? If you delete the data, then how we can delete the data in a particular column? How can you delete the column data? What is the syntax? How can you delete the column? How can you delete the column data? I want to delete the particular column data. How can you do that? Huh? How can you delete the column data? Update. Already I told you. We cannot possible to delete a particular column. We don't have any syntax for delete a particular column data. If you want to delete a particular column data, then you must use the update command. So please remember the questions and answers also. If you ask any question, before that you analyze what are the dependence answers are there. So why don't you tell the answer? Already I clearly tell to you, right? What is the use of that? Yeah, fine. So next here, observe this one. Now I want to drop synonym. I want to drop first synonym. This is the table. In this table, I create one synonym. Here, I create one more synonym. Now I want to drop this synonym. What happens? Interview point of question. Just analyze. I have a table. I create a synonym, and also I created one more synonym on this synonym. But finally, I remove this one. I drop this synonym. Let it be, check it. Drop synonym. We can possibly to drop the synonym. Synonym name. MP9. Yes. Synonym is dropped. Now we can access what is that? What is the error is showing? Synonym translation is no longer valid. Yes. It is not a valid. It is not a valid because of dependent synonym is removed from the database. But synonym is there. Synonym is there, but it is not a valid. It is not a valid. Suppose say example eligible criteria. Every person there here, but only few people are eligible the criteria. Suppose say example I am picking who are completed the BTech people. So all people are eligible criteria. So only few people are applicable for that eligible criteria. But every person is there. Every person is there who are completed MCA, BTech and degree. Every person is there. But some people are valid people, some people are invalid people. Here, the synonym is also there in our database, but it is a invalid status. But how we can go to activate this one? I want to activate this one. So here, I create one more synonym. I want to create one more synonym with the same name of our dropped synonym name. Say example, create synonym. Okay, what is our dropped synonym? EMP99. Yes. Okay, for DEPT 99. Is it accepted? Earlier I create a synonym on employee table.
Yes, sir.
Now I create a synonym on DEPT table. Is there any getting problem? Nothing to problem. Now we can access the second synonym, this one. Okay, what is that? EMP99S1. Which data is coming?
Department.
Exactly. Right? Now I drop the table. I drop the employee table. Is there any reflected for these synonyms?
No.
Yes. I drop this table. Don't get confusion. Drop table EMP99. This synonyms, is there any getting problem? No. Why? Because these synonyms already change into the some other table. Suppose here I dropped EMP99. So resource busy means somebody people working on same table. Okay, we can't possible to delete it. Drop it. And suppose I drop table DEPT99. Then now let it be check it. Select start from EMP99. Yes. Same error is going to show us, right? So this is the reason we want to use the synonyms. Means we don't have any security on data, but we can provide the security on our structure. Clear? But how system is going to recognize whether it is a private synonym and public synonym? Observe this one. Here, observe this both syntax carefully. Is there any difference?
Public keyword is
Public keyword. If you use the public keyword, the respected synonym is treated as a public synonym in our database. Okay, whenever if you want to create a public synonym, we must use the public. Without using public keyword, system automatically recognizes it as a private synonym. Okay? Yeah. And where these all synonyms are stored? User synonyms. Say example, DESC. We have 4 columns. Now select store from user synonyms where table name equal to DEPT 99. It is an invalid identifier because of it is already dropped. Yeah. Select store from user synonyms where synonym name equal to EMP 99. Yes. So that is also there, but here I didn't use the single column. Right. So all synonyms are stored in this table. Here select how many synonyms are there. Auto start from user synonyms. 42,425 synonyms are there. Just imagine how many tables are there. And definitely 40,000 plus tables are there in our applications. Clear? So we have a
public synonyms modification is private synonym
means
public synonym modification.
public synonym is different, the private synonym is different. It doesn't impact the private.
Private synonym modification table modification.
We can't possible to modify the structure. Data. Yeah. So data is possible. So that is the reason I clearly tell to you, we can't possible to provide the security on our data. Then you also deleted, me also deleted, someone also deleted. But I am the owner of the table. I am only possible to alter the structure.
Data commit
Then commit is common. Commit does not a new topic for this one. What exactly the commit is doing, the same will be going to happen. Commit is common, right? What is the commit use? Permanently store the database. Then why commit want to additionally we want to discuss about that? Already we know that. How the commit is going to working here also same thing. Suppose here we want to check it. We have 36,285 tables are there. But synonyms? So because of synonyms, again one more synonym. So one table is having multiple synonyms. That is the reason. Okay. But we have so many tables are there. These are the only one of the table which is having the all tables. Okay. And we have so many tables also. There in Arrival application also we have different tables here. Clear all of you? Synonym. So commit is a common word. Okay. Even though commit means it will be reflected into the permanently stored the database. Even though if you do the transaction either synonym or table, whatever it may be. The work is common. Clear? All of you. Okay. So in this scenario we work with these synonyms. And now you tell me, what is the drawback of this synonym? What is the drawback? Suppose I have a question, I want to create a synonym on multiple tables.
Security.
Okay, security is there and data does not there. So for that we have another object, that is not a problem for here. But I want to create a synonym on multiple tables. Is it possible? I want to create a synonym on multiple tables at a time. Suppose, say example, create synonym name for EMP, DEPT. We can't possible. And also we cannot possible to create a synonym on particular records. We cannot possible to create a synonym on particular records. I have a employee table. In employee table I have 14 records. I want to create a synonym on few records who are working 10th department. This feature also does not available. So that two drawbacks is coming in synonym. That two drawbacks will be override in views. The next topic, views. So advanced of the synonyms. Okay, that will be discussed in the next lesson. All of you clear? Okay. First you can do the practice on this, then you can get the clarity.